welcome back to Beautico. So today in this video I am going to be sharing with you guys my morning as well as my nighttime skincare routine. Now I felt that both of these routines should be combined in one video because I just feel like morning अलग से दिखाओ, skin nighttime अलग से दिखाओ. मैं कुछ ऐसा excess या extra like 15-20 minutes of skincare नहीं करती हूँ. Literally 2-2 मिनट में मेरा skincare खत्म हो जाता है. Morning is actually very like 2-minute skincare routine. Night time I take like a good 10 minutes to do my skincare because तब मेरे पास relax करने का भी time होता है. I can sit back, I can use mask, I can just basically do whatever I want at night because पूरे दिन का काम खत्म हो जाता है and I'm just relaxing. But in the morning मेरे पास literally बहुत ही कम time होता है because I have to take a bath, then I have to moisturize my skin and then start with my day. So I am going to be sharing with you my morning and nighttime skincare routine. So let's quickly get started. But before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload a video. So let's go. So let's start with face wash. So for face wash, I have two of them. Wait, 1 second. The other one is right here. So I have these two face washes that I use according to what my skin is feeling, which I'll tell you. So the first one that I have is the Tony Moly's Clean Dew Lemon Foam Cleanser. And the other one is the Innisfree's Jeju Volcanic Lava Deep Pore Cleansing Foam Scrub. Now this one I have been using for quite some time. Now the formula has changed on this. So before it was quite foamy, but now it's like a creamy exfoliating texture. So I like to use this particular face wash when I feel like my skin has a lot of dryness or I have a lot of dry skin and I need to exfoliate or deeply cleanse करने की जब ज़रूरत होती है. That's when I use this particular face wash and it has a very gentle scrub. So once I use this, my skin becomes very smooth. Or particularly I use this face wash when I am going to be applying makeup and I want my makeup to look absolutely smooth. That is when I use this. This is a beautiful face wash. This particular one I like to use on a regular basis every day. Basic जो cleansing होती है, that's when I use this. Now again, this is like a foam cleanser. ये काफ़ी foam होता है और काफ़ी अच्छे से clean कर देता है skin को without stripping off any oils. I like this to use on an everyday basis in the morning as well as in the night. So since I am going to do some makeup after this, I'm gonna use this one. So I like to massage this face wash for a good 2 to 3 minutes. That way my skin is getting exfoliated. After I've done my face wash, I like to calm my skin down. For that, I like to use a rose water. Currently, I am using this one. This is the Pixies Rose Glow Mist. I love it. It genuinely smells so soothing or instantly मुझे ऐसा लगता है I have woken up and my skin feels very refreshed. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now next in my skincare routine, the most important step is applying a serum. I will not skip serum. I will not apply any moisturizer. Morning time is serum time. I only apply serums to hydrate my skin. So today I am gonna be using this. This is the Pink Foundry Antioxidant Radiance Serum and this has Kakadu Plum plus Olive with Triaderm action. Now this is what it looks like. Now like I said, I'm an oily skin type, so for me I feel like serums work the best because they are very lightweight in texture, they get absorbed into the skin and they are very rich in their ingredients. So it is helping in adding the ingredients, adding the hydration, radiance, everything to my skin. So that's why I love using a serum. I like to get my inner radiance out and I feel like the serum helps me feel radiant as well. So I am gonna apply this and as you can see, the texture is very light and very fast absorbing. And this one smells amazing too. So I like to take like a good amount of this particular serum and massage this into my skin. So this particular serum also helps in, evening out my hyperpigmentation. I have quite a lot of hyperpigmentation, like dark areas right here, dark areas right here, and they have healed quite a lot. If you see my previous videos and compare, you will see that my skin has become so much better, touch wood. And also this helps in boosting my radiance. As you can see, my skin looks absolutely radiant and bright. So now, since I am 28 years old already, I feel like I need products which help in my aging. So this does help in premature aging as well. आप लोगों ने कभी serums try किए हैं वैसे? In case you haven't and you are like a beginner in the serum game, ये वाला तो बहुत ही अच्छा है. आँख बंद करके ले लो because it's very very hydrating और बहुत easy to use है. ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कुछ बहुत ही sci-fi product लगा रहे हो. This is actually a very very good serum to start with, and it's going to make your skin feel different. And that's about it for hydration. इससे ज़्यादा मैं नहीं करती हूँ, मेरे पास इससे ज़्यादा करने का टाइम नहीं होता है. उसके बाद I will go ahead and apply sunscreen. Now the sunscreen that I like to use is this one. This is the Biore UV Watery Essence SPF 50 sunscreen. Now this particular one is really good for my oily skin because it's very very lightweight and it does not have any color to it, so it's not gonna leave a white cast. ये वाला सनस्क्रीन तो बहुत ही लाइट है. आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल स्ट्रगल टू फाइंड अ सनस्क्रीन विच इज लाइट वेट. ये वाला ट्राई करो, यू विल लव इट. अच्छा, एंड देन फाइनली आई लाइक टू अप्लाई लिप बाम. लिप बाम के लिए तो मैं ये वाला यूज कर रही हूँ. ये है लानिएश का लिप स्लीपिंग मास्क, माई फेवरेट lip balm. It's so good, smells amazing and hydrates my lips like no other. Look at that. So yeah, that's it for my morning skincare routine. I hope I didn't blabber too much. मेरी आदत हो गई है, लगता है कि मैं हर चीज़ एक्सप्लेन करने बैठती हूँ तो ये लंबा हो जाता है. Anyway, this is my morning skincare routine. Now I'm just gonna do some makeup and then I'll be back to show you my nighttime skincare routine. Okay, I am back. It's night time and it's time to remove my makeup and do my nighttime skincare routine. So let's go. I'm just gonna tie my hair. Okay, now that our hair is out of the way, I am gonna remove my makeup. Now to remove my makeup, I only use cleansing oils. Now this one that I have is by Neutrogena. This is the Deep Clean Brightening Cleansing Oil. Cleansing oils are the best to remove makeup without tugging your skin, without damaging your skin, and cleansing balms too, but I mostly use cleansing oils because they are just gentle and they just remove waterproof makeup so easily. I've been using cleansing oil since 4 years now almost. Before this I was using the Face Shop's Rice Water Bright Cleansing Oil. That was also amazing, and this one is a new purchase and I have used it quite a lot and I honestly like it. This is pretty affordable too. I think this just retails for rupees 850 and this will last me at least 3 months. तो बहुत सारा पैसा बच जाता है when you are looking for a good makeup remover. अब cleansing oil काम कैसे करता है, I don't know whether you guys know or not. So this basically comes out in the form of oil and as soon as it comes in contact with water, it becomes soapy and then you can just wash it off और उस तरीके से पूरा makeup बहुत ही gently निकल जाता है. Because I feel like literally 2 pump काफ़ी होते हैं by the way. Like this much and then I will start massaging. Did you see how easily that lipstick came off? And then I will just pinch in my eyelashes and just remove the mascara as well. अब Like you can see, मैंने makeup निकाल ली हूँ. Now it's time for face wash. For that I'm using this one. This is the one that I showed you earlier, the Tony Moly Clean Dew Lemon Foam Cleanser. And now you can see I have squeaky clean face. थोड़ा सा skin को calm down करने के लिए I will again use this rose mist. इसके बाद वापस से I will go ahead and apply the Pink Foundries Antioxidant Radiant Serum. Now again, this is very lightweight, so it's going to do a fab job of healing my skin overnight. तो इसको मैं लगा लूँगी अच्छे से. I make sure that I apply all of the hydrating products really well under my eyes as well, क्योंकि वो area काफ़ी नाजुक होता है and it needs quite a lot of hydration. So I take specific care that I apply all these products under my eyes. अच्छा, अब नाइट टाइम के लिए ये सब के बाद I like to apply a product which is very hydrating. It can be a good moisturizer or it can be a sleeping mask. Most of the times I like to apply sleeping mask because उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा hydration होता है और बहुत कुछ heal हो जाता है. Next day skin बहुत glowy भी हो जाती है. So I am gonna be using this. This is the Pink Foundries Overnight Exfoliating Radiance Mask and इसमें है caviar, lime, AHA plus BHA plus olive with Triaderm action. So again, now this helps in giving me super radiant, bright, luminous skin. अभी रात को ना अगेन मुझे कोई भी स्टिकी प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करना पसंद नहीं है, तो स्लीपिंग मास्क का जो टेक्सचर होता है वो बहुत ही डिफरेंट होता है. इट इज़ वाटर बेस्ड बट इट हैज़ अ लिटिल बिट मोर ऑफ अ थिकनेस टू इट, बट very लाइट वेट अगेन. सो what I will do is I will take like a good amount of this. इससे भी ज़्यादा ले सकती हूँ मैं, और इससे I will just spread it on my face. थोड़ा सा मसाज भी कर लूँगी because again I want the blood to flow in my skin. Do you see how bouncy, plump and radiant my skin is looking? This particular product is so good, you guys. अब ये particular जो product है, again it helps in evening out my skin, my hyperpigmentation, as well as it actually helps in the formation of blackheads and whiteheads जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा है. Like I said, मेरी oily skin है, तो I keep these particular things in mind that मेरा जो blackhead और whitehead formation होता है, I make sure that I use products that get rid of it or prevent them from appearing. And since this is a sleeping mask, this will reduce my dry skin and deeply remove my dead skin as well. और उसके साथ साथ I'm gonna have this very soft, bouncy looking skin in the morning. That's it for my hydration at night. And one last step that I will do is of course lip balm. बिना lip balm के तो मैं कभी सोऊंगी ही नहीं because मेरे lips heal ही नहीं होंगे वरना. So I will apply like a good thick layer of this lip balm. Now again, this is a lip sleeping mask by the way, and like I said, these sleeping masks have a really good texture for the night time. And that's about it. So yeah, that's about it. That's my nighttime skincare routine. Like I said, मैं बहुत ही basic, बहुत ही simple चीज़ें करती हूँ. कुछ भी sci-fi use नहीं करती हूँ. बहुत basic है. Serums है, sleeping mask है, फिर cleansing oil है and face wash. That's it. Nothing, no rocket science in it, and these are very effective products. मेरी skin आप जैसे कि देख सकते हैं काफ़ी clear है, touch wood. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope you guys liked it. If you all did like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I am gonna see you all in the next video very soon. Until then, bye.